All sentient beings are like the universe in one way: they have no beginning, only an end. All sentient entities experience events and stimuli to a lesser or greater degree. The human mind may be seen as analogous to space-time, which is said to possess both properties of spatiality as manifested by length, width, height, and depth, and temporality as manifested by past, present, and future. Space-time is thus a four-dimensional manifold that combines what Euclidean geometry regards as the three dimensions of space with the dimension of time. All sentient beings have a physical body, as well as a mental one in the form of the mind. This can be seen with human beings. The biological system that we call the brain is analogous to space-time in that it possesses both physical and psychological properties. The nervous system is equivalent to space-time spatiality, while the mind is equivalent to its temporality. The physical and psychological properties of the human brain are both experienced by a single sentient entity, which we call the human mind, or the self, even though there is, in reality, no such thing as an individual consciousness that can be singled out from the rest of space-time. There is only one holistic conscious experience, and this experience manifests itself to varying degrees in all entities throughout the universe. The human mind exists as a subject, and the subject experiences the properties of space-time. In reality, there is no such thing as a subject that can be singled out from the rest of space-time, just like there is no singular entity who experiences all time. The fact that we perceive ourselves to exist in this way as an individualized consciousness may simply be due to our identification with a certain body, i.e., the one we call our own. So where does the subject us get this experience? Where did it come from? The answer is that it came from itself. It is self-created, in a sense, and this process can be seen as analogous to the way in which space-time creates itself by creating dimensions. In one of its dimensions, the dimension of time, space-time creates events, including causation. An event causes another event to happen. The human mind is therefore self-created, and the psyche exists in time. The human experience of the world around us manifests itself sequentially. Events are experienced one after another, producing a series of cause and effect chains. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. We will be uploading videos on a daily basis. You can also leave a comment in the comments section on your opinion on the subject. And if you agree with the AI, you can also leave recommendations on what we should ask GPT-3.